Man, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video, bro. As y'all can see, we just left the bowling alley, bro. We got the wheels out. But look at my look. Don't mind my look, bro. Don't mind my look. What shit?
We doing some content?
Come through trim, no cap.
We doing some reels and shit?
You said what? Yeah, we can. But as y'all can tell by the title of the video, what's already going on, bro. But damn, this sun bright as hell. But shit, I won like twice. I won twice. But I beat his ass twice, bro. He won like one time.
Check the scope.
He been taking L's all day. Ain't gonna cap. That boy, they like shit. Shit with 2 Qs. But yeah, glad. But we out there right now. We still trying to figure out what kind of reel we gonna do. We trying to do some reels right now.
What you got
If I got any good like car reels ideas, like drop in the comments and let me know, bro. We can't think of shit what to do right now. They're all black coat, crazy.
This is like what? 600, 500. They ain't that bad because they still working.
Hey y'all, say y'all, we currently going to Walmart right now, bro. We just left the bowling alley, bro. I got Dean right here. Hey shit, man.
Yo, y'all.
We finna go over there. We finna go and troll these niggas at Walmart, bro. This shit finna be crazy. Hopefully we get some good ass reactions, bro. I don't want no lame man nigga. Like, I want some funny shit to happen, bro. I ain't gonna count.
Nigga need this clip to hit 1 million views.
1 million views, man. I see you, boy, with you, dog. So glad. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch y'all at Walmart.
Meanwhile,
Say y'all, hey y'all, as y'all can see, we just got to Walmart. My fault, not Walmart. Wally World, hey glad.
Look at that Wally.
same thing.
I'm saying, but you gotta, you know, change the name up, make it sound better.
Shut your
But goddamn, this bit look kinda dead though. Look at the parking lot. I want some action. I wanna get kicked out, and I don't wanna get kicked out at the same time. On some shit.
what?
But we finna go in there bit, we finna see if we can get some good air reaction, bro. Cross our fingers, no cap. Damn. You got some thick ass thighs. Yeah. You got some thick ass thighs, bro. Let me see. That's the right one?
Shit, I don't know, twin.
Is that the right one?
Shit, this the right one?
That's the exact kind I was looking for, bro. Yeah, that's it right there. Boy, good looks, boy.
You got the right thighs?
Yo.
Them the ones I wanted.
Hell yeah.
No cap. Tight shit. Oh my god. You got some big ass thighs. You got some big ass thighs. Where you get from? Where you get from? Damn, these what I'm looking for, gang. Look. Just barbecue on some shit, girl. Some shit.
A few inches later.
Alright, y'all, we still trying to find some more people, bro. Cause I think right now we only got like 2 or 3, but we still on the search looking, bro. It's hard to get a position, try to get in front of them at the same time. So we still looking. You can do it. Right here. Like a comment. Right here. Alright, man. Oh my god. You got some thick ass thighs. You got some thick thighs, no cap. Them the thighs I was looking for right there, bro.
Right, these ones?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Where you get them from?
Shit, I got them bitch from over there.
Man, them perfect. That's the exact kind I was looking for, gang, no cap. How you doing, sir?
Fine, how y'all?
Pretty good. You need help cleaning up?
No.
Alright, wait, bro. Alright, you too. Tight. Oh my god. Y'all have some thick thighs. Some thick ass thighs. Where you get them from, bro?
Shit, I got it from over there.
Oh, I need these.
Hell yeah,
No
bro.
count. I need these.
Yeah.
Hey, that's perfect.
I'm already
That's
knowing.
perfect. Appreciate it, gang.
They were laughing. You supposed to be like, I'm talking to y'all. They make the clip better. They were gonna fight. They gonna fight.
Say something to it, cuz. Say something to it, cuz.
Hey, man. Like and subscribe right now.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all. I'm tired of walking. I ain't gonna stop. I swear to God, do not make me go. All right, y'all. We taking an Uber right now, Walmart right now.
Which way we going?
How much I owe y'all for driving me type shit?
Shit, about like a band.
A band?
A band.
Where I think I am? Elon Musk? Y'all ripping my ass off. Tight. Subscribe, ugly. Huh? What? Oh, I think you need my camera. Hey, you need my camera, gang?
Yeah.
All right,
Everybody bombarding her.
we'll be right back. Don't go nowhere, ugly. Oh my God, you have some thick thighs. What do you do for a living? How your thighs get so thick?
I don't even want to stand up now.
Why? I'm not. I see you from a distance. I see you walking. I heard to see you walk like type shit. This your son? How you doing, little man? What's your name? My name is Zay. Nice to meet you. Thick thighs. Say y'all, we leaving Walmart right now, bro.
We're here for you 20.
But we not done. We finna go to the other Walmart. Shit was getting a little too hot, so we had to leave. Somehow I gained the whole crowd, bro. But we ran today. It got slow ass 3:45.
Hard to unpack. I hate it. I like my
Now I was playing RT's fast as fuck, no cap. RT's faster than Skaggs. No debate. Type shit. But we finna get some food. We finna get some eats. Niggas say they're hungry. We finna get food, and then we're going to the other Walmart. So, do I look dark right now? Do I look like stupid dark or some shit? Okay, thank you for that answer, brother. And where is my car? Over there. Glad.
He got his audio on his phone, so. Go ahead.
I don't know, man. I like that Ford F-150. I fuck with this one right here. I ain't gonna lie.
Trying to race?
Oh my goodness, he got the motherfucking blue lights under the wheel.
No way.
That's what I'm talking about, boy. Give me a little rev right quick. You can rev it. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, she waited on that.
Oh, she waited on. All right, big bro. You have a good one, all right? Tight shit. This nigga tweet.
See.
Yo.
Coach your plate. It don't matter what we get.
Okay, hold on. Get that motherfucker.
Later.
Cartwheel, you do a cartwheel.
My knee fucked up, but I will.
You do a cartwheel, you do a cartwheel, I'll do a cartwheel.
Go ahead and do a backflip.
Hey, yo, as y'all can see, we at the other Walmart, you feel me? We just got here on some shit. She said do a cartwheel, but I'm finna do it. I don't know why, but I'm finna do it.
Do a
cartwheel.
backflip.
Do it to backflip.
Lame.
Ooh.
Do a cartwheel to a backflip.
I'll do it with no hands.
Go ahead.
My knee fucked up. I fucked up
How
my knee in
you
the
fucked
last.
up?
Y'all seen that video I did last time? The visual video?
Yeah, walk up. Oh, wait, it's my knee.
I did a bike flip and I landed and my knee just like,
Oh, damn.
shit buckled.
Oh,
I got that shit on. Hold on.
it's getting back right now though. It's getting back right.
Fit check.
Tight.
I'm so pushing that bit.
You should have seen how y'all never did.
Oh, you feel me? You see, we got the goddamn, we got the Balenciagas on type shit. Oh, we go gallery department, and we go got no Cuban link with the Jesus piece type shit.
From Johnny Depp.
I got that bit from I went to Dubai and got that bit. Okay.
What the jewel name is? Jewel Lane.
His name Salam. You know Salam? Yeah.
Awesome. Salam.
Fuck with his ass.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hey, we lit though, man. Let's
20 minutes later.
record next time. What side is better to record from? You have some big thighs. Oh my god. How you get thick thighs like that? How you get thick thighs like that? Yo, I need the recipe to them thighs. That's what I need. How can I get my thighs that thick? How can I get my thighs that thick? Cause those are some thighs I need right now, man. These are thighs I need.
Oh, you gotta go get them over there.
Bro, I want them.
Nah, go get them over there.
God, bro. I want these thighs. These thighs are really fucking.
Nah, they over there.
Yo, let me
Tell them they over there.
bro. These are thick ass thighs. Thick ass, sexy ass thighs. Holy Mother of Jesus. We have some thick thighs. Excuse me. How'd you get those thighs so thick? How'd you get those thighs so thick?
How my thighs so thick?
Yeah, these some thick shit. Like these some thick thighs.
What are you talking about?
These thighs, see these thighs?
Oh, that ain't got nothing to do with me.
I'm saying they thick at this.
They ain't got nothing to do with me.
Okay. These are some sexy ass. Oh my. I can just kiss it. Hey bro. This is kind of looking for right here. No cap. Got these thighs in place, bro. Got these thighs in place. Thank you, Larry. Oh my god. How did you saw thighs like that?
Yeah.
She make a lot of progress.
Yeah, how you got your thighs like that? Those are some nice thighs.
She's my boy.
Those are some nice thighs. These right here is some nice freaking thighs. Like, these is thick and very smooth, like I was looking for. Do they have any more of these?
In grocery area.
Grocery area? Okay, appreciate that. Hey, he said they got another pack in the grocery area.
Type shit.
Yeah. Yo, is that a fucking cop roach?
Brother,
Bro, look, bro. D, it's cop roach, gang. What if I just...
I already told you, bro. I told you I
I got roaches. What the fuck?
Yo.
Hey, y'all, watch out for that roach. Where you went?
I wanted to go.
That bitch just disappeared.
I wanted to go. Huh?
I'm gonna go though.
Y'all, the roach just disappeared, gang. Ain't gonna count.
Go find them, cuz.
Huh? Yeah. You said what? We're out with you. Okay.
Everybody going.
6 hours later.
Hey y'all, we just leave Walmart as y'all can see, bro. This probably gonna be the end of the video right here. We got some good reactions, but we had to come to 2 different Walmarts, like, so. But make sure y'all like and subscribe, bro. Appreciate y'all for watching, bro. Hey, bro, appreciate you popping up, my boy Dean, man.
Yeah.
YouTube channel? What's your YouTube channel again?
Shit, Dean TV.
Tight shit, Dean TV. My boy C right though. Tight shit. You know what I'm saying? We out there, bit. But say y'all, hey man, yo.
And she said she
We headed to the cars right now.
Know what car he?
Like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Hey,
Say, cuz, how did she?
I already did them.
Oh, my flying.
Y'all meet me though. Type shit. Yeah.